as you guys may remember, we are going on our very first cruise, and it's going to be a Disney Very Maritime cruise on the Disney Dream. Well, also guys, if you remember from a couple of videos ago, we also announced that we're going to be going to Walt Disney World before and after our cruise. Well, today we actually get to share something really special with you guys about that Walt Disney World part of the trip. And Liz, what are we doing?
We're doing my favorite type of video. It's an unboxing video. We're going to unbox a little bit of magic. Our magic bands for our upcoming trip have arrived.
Welcome back to Fun Fiero. My name is Andy Fiero.
And I'm Liz Fiero.
Guys, if this is your first time to our channel, welcome and thanks for hanging out with us today. Our channel really is all about our passion, love, and adventure for Disney and really getting out and exploring Colorado, the state that we live in. But guys, if this is your first time to our channel, please consider subscribing and also go ahead and give this video a big like.
As you may have noticed, we have two boxes to unbox today for our magic bands. We're going to stay at one resort when we get down to Florida, go on our cruise, and then we're going to stay at another resort. Now, a little bit more fun is that I don't know which magic bands I have. I don't know which magic bands Andy has. Alright, but since the unboxing...
I have two.
I have two as well. One is for me, one is for Andy. And since the unboxing video is my favorite type of video because I love getting little bits of Disney magic in the mail, without further ado... Ah, yeah, it came off in one swoop. Alright, now...
Oh.
Dun, 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 dun. So here you have The Magic Begins with this awesomely decorated box. On the inside of here is the Castle Spires coming up. A little bit of magic band information here. The receipt is down below. And without further ado, let me see if I can gracefully get these out. Would you please?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. And here are the magic bands. Oh, this one is mine. Okay. It's got the BB-8. It's going to totally match my Loungefly bag. I am so going to be coordinating my Loungefly bag with my BB-8 magic band at the parks that day.
I get Dole Whip.
Yeah. Andy has also one of my favorite snacks of all time, Dole Whip.
And Mickey Mouse had sprinkles, and it's got like a little Mickey Mouse head pretzel and maybe like a candied apple type thing, and
There's
cake pop.
There's a Mickey Premium Bar.
Yes.
Okay, so all kinds of little snacks on that one. Okay.
That's going to be pretty neat.
Awesome. And just a little bit of pixie dust. You can see the white pixie dust, you know, the little stars running through. So there's mine. Because it can make noises, but it doesn't. So I have to do that for it. Then I'm going to color coordinate with my Loungefly bag.
That's going to be awesome.
I'm so excited.
All right, so little perforated edge. Boom. There we go.
But still, in one fell swoop, you got that one open.
Well, kind of.
I'm a little bit better at tearing into the boxes.
So, same idea, guys. So we'll just make it real simple. Comes with the receipt. It kind of tells you what day that this is supposed to be used for. I don't think it really matters because you can sync your magic bands.
You can.
You can use the same magic bands that you've already had over and over again, or you can use the new ones. I'm not sure what we're going to do on this, but I don't even think it really matters which day we use it on, right?
Well, it doesn't matter which day we use it on, as long as the serial number that's on the back of the magic band is linked up with your My Disney Experience app. You can use whichever magic band you want on whichever day.
So this is probably my favorite of the two that we picked. Obviously, white, yellow. I don't know if you guys can tell already where this is going, but on the back, this is so awesome. This has got, I'm going to try to get in here and zoom in for you guys, but this has got most magical place on earth, and it's got Cinderella's castle on there. And this is just absolutely a beautiful band over here.
That's mine.
Now, I got Pluto. I've been wanting Pluto for a while. And I love the little tag. It says, Pluto, if lost, please return to Mickey Mouse.
Which is perfect because Andy loves himself some Mickey.
Yes.
Oh, I just love mine. Sorry.
And of course, these are kind of one size fits all, which is really nice. And also, if for some reason, if you ever lose your magic band, I'll actually link a video for you guys to go check out. It's very simple that they can actually help you out and really try to help you guys get your Magic Band back, or at least get a new Magic Band, or help you get around the parks while you're there.
Yes. And on the other side of mine, there's a little firework, the D, and there's a Mickey Mouse. I didn't realize when I ordered it. I knew I was getting the castle, but I didn't realize I was going to have Mickey on the other side. Oh, that's awesome. Sorry, guys. I was looking at it, not letting you guys look at it, and I apologize. But that is so cool. I love the firework. I love the D. I love the Mickey. I love... Hold that, would you?
Yep.
Thank you, sir. I just love the whole brassy antique look of this entire Magic Band. Super stoked, super excited. And on the back is where you have the serial number, and we can also 9 letters. You can personalize the Magic Band. So mine just simply says Liz 2019, and then that serial number that I would be able to link to my Disney Experience app, so I can use it on whatever day I want to.
Now, for both, or I guess for both sets of these Magic Bands, since they are an upgraded Magic Band. So the cool thing is, and I'll also link the video that I did on the special design upgraded Magic Bands that you guys can purchase, which is really neat because it's $10 extra. And whatever extra designs they have at the time, they're not always the same. They're not always the same for every single resort. But it's really neat because you can actually go in for an extra $10 instead of just getting a green Magic Band or an orange Magic Band or a red Magic Band. You can get these special design Magic Bands, and they're still customizable on the back. It's 9 characters that you can actually put in for the specializing, like your name and date or what have you. But still, that's pretty neat that you can kind of customize it, make it your own, especially if you're trying to do like a specific kind of date or whatever to remember.
Yes. And these guys, like Andy said, they are an extra $10. You can choose your Magic Band. You have to pay for them if you're doing the upgraded Magic Band at that point. But had we waited to get these at the park, then each one of these would have been $24.99. So it's only $10 to upgrade it. So you're saving $14.99 there. So if you want the more customized Magic Band, or just something really super special from that trip, that's really easy to get.
Yeah, and of course the free ones, just the plain color Magic Bands that will work totally fine. And that's what we started with our first trip this last time.
Yep.
Well, not our first trip, but our first trip in a while this past time. It was really nice to have those. It really makes your whole life way more convenient with the Magic Band. But those are complimentary. It's just simply if you want to upgrade them, $10.
And for the anniversary trip, we upgraded ours for the $10. And I'm so excited and so happy that we did.
Yes.
I love these.
Yes.
I love my Magic Band. I didn't realize that Mickey was on there. I'm so stoked.
It's beautiful.
It
I do
is
like
beautiful.
it. And the Disney D on there.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
It is really so cool.
All right, guys. So now for the fun Fiero question. Which Magic Band do you like the best? Please leave that in the comments below and let us know your thoughts, guys.
So leave my Magic Bands, the ones you like the best, down there below.
Guys, thanks so much for hanging out with us today. If you will, go ahead and give this video a big like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow along with liking the videos. But until next time, guys, get out there, have some fun, and we'll see you on the flip side.